The check airbag system warning in your Honda Civic is a critical safety alert that should never be ignored. When this warning appears on your dashboard, it indicates a potential malfunction in one of your vehicle's most important safety systems. Your Honda Civic's airbag system consists of several interconnected components working together to protect you in a collision. Understanding these components helps you recognize what might trigger the warning light. The Airbag Control Module, or ACM, is the brain of the system. This computer constantly monitors all sensors and determines when to deploy airbags during a crash. Crash sensors throughout the vehicle detect the force and direction of impacts. These sensors are strategically placed in the front, sides, and other locations to provide comprehensive collision detection. The occupant detection system uses weight sensors in the seats to determine if someone is present and adjust airbag deployment accordingly. This prevents unnecessary deployment when seats are empty. The clock spring maintains electrical connection to the steering wheel airbag as you turn the wheel. This component is particularly prone to wear and is a common cause of airbag warnings. Seatbelt pretensioners work with airbags to provide optimal protection. These devices tighten the seatbelt instantly during a crash to position occupants correctly for airbag deployment. Several factors can trigger the airbag warning light. The most common causes include sensor malfunctions, low battery voltage affecting system operation, damaged wiring harnesses, and faulty control modules. Honda has made significant improvements to airbag diagnostics in recent years. Models from 2022 and newer feature enhanced diagnostic capabilities with more specific error codes. There are also ongoing recalls and service campaigns, particularly the Takata airbag replacements for older models. The airbag system warning should never be ignored. A malfunctioning airbag system can fail to protect you in a collision, potentially resulting in serious injury or death. Prompt attention to this warning is essential for your safety and that of your passengers. Professional diagnosis is the first step in addressing any airbag system warning. Modern diagnostic tools can pinpoint the exact cause before attempting repairs. Based on 2023 to 2025 service data, there are 5 primary causes for the check airbag system warning. Let's examine each cause, its symptoms, and repair costs. Clock spring failure accounts for 35% of cases. This component maintains electrical connection to the steering wheel airbag. Symptoms include loss of steering wheel controls along with the airbag warning. Seat sensor problems represent 25% of airbag warnings. These sensors detect occupant weight to determine proper airbag deployment force. The warning may appear when seats are occupied or unoccupied. Low battery voltage causes 20% of airbag warnings. The airbag system requires stable 12-volt power to function properly. Warnings often appear during startup or under electrical load. Wiring harness damage accounts for 15% of cases. Damaged wires under seats or in door frames can cause intermittent warnings, especially when driving over bumps or rough roads. Control module failure is the least common cause at only 5% of cases. This requires replacement of the airbag control module and programming, making it the most expensive repair option. Professional diagnosis typically costs between $120 and $180. Repair costs vary significantly based on the specific cause, ranging from simple battery replacement to complex control module programming.